What is the LifeWave X39 patch? X39 is described by LifeWave as a non-transdermal phototherapy patch. Non-transdermal means that the patch is not designed to deliver a drug, supplement, peptide, or other substance through the skin. The company says the patch interacts with light and is intended to support natural processes within the body. LifeWave also markets X39 around GHK-Cu, a naturally occurring copper-binding peptide associated with tissue repair, skin health, and other biological functions. GHK-Cu itself is a real and scientifically studied peptide. Research has examined its potential roles in collagen production, skin remodeling, wound healing, antioxidant activity, and inflammation. However, much of this broader research involves GHK-Cu directly, not the LifeWave patch. Research about a peptide does not automatically prove that a particular patch produces meaningful health outcomes in people. That distinction is important.